Welcome back. In the previous video, we learned how to create reusable point cuts and use them with multiple advices. Today, we're going one step further. We'll learn how to use after returning and after throwing advice in Native AspectJ files. You'll see how to capture a method's return value after it executes successfully and how to capture the exception when a method fails. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access both return values and exceptions in Native AspectJ. Let's get started. First, type the after keyword. To capture the return value, add the returning keyword right after it. This tells AspectJ that the advice should execute only after the target method completes successfully and returns a value. Inside the parentheses, specify the return type followed by a variable name. I want to capture return values of any type, so I'll use object result. AspectJ will automatically store the returned value in this result variable whenever the target method completes successfully. We can then use this variable anywhere inside the advice. Now, after the colon, specify the point cut. Since we've already created a reusable point cut, we don't need to write the entire point cut expression again. Now, let's print the return value. And that's it. As you can see, the syntax is almost identical to a normal after advice. The only difference is the returning keyword. By adding this keyword, AspectJ automatically captures the method's return value and makes it available to your advice. In the same way, we can create an after throwing advice. The syntax is almost identical. First, type the after keyword. To capture an exception, add the throwing keyword. Inside the parentheses, specify the type of exception you want to capture, followed by a variable name. Now, let's print the exception details. That's it. Whenever any method matched by this point cut throws an exception, this advice will execute automatically. The thrown exception will be available in the exception variable, allowing you to log it, send notifications, or perform any other exception handling logic. As you can see, my controller method returns a successful response. Build the project. Start the application. Now, hit the API. Take a look at the last line in the console. As you can see, the response is printed successfully by our after returning advice. This confirms that AspectJ captured the return value exactly as expected. Now, instead of returning a successful response from the controller API, I'm throwing an exception. Build the project again. Start the application. Hit the API one more time. Now, let's check the console logs. As you can see, the after throwing advice is executed, and the exception is printed exactly as expected. This confirms that our advice runs only when the target method throws an exception. And that's it for this video. I hope you now have a clear understanding of after returning and after throwing advice in Native AspectJ. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.